Okay, first things first, we need to go to the website for the randomizer, and that is randomizer.org. It does autocomplete for me, randomizer.org. This is what the page looks like for you. So, research randomizer. You're going to scroll down to where we generate numbers. You're just doing one set of numbers. Because this is for an individual item, it's just going to be 1%. When you do your grand prizes at the end, then you would do 3. The number range is how many tickets you sold for that individual item, and your spreadsheet's going to have a column for each item, so it's always going to start at 1 and end with whatever the last ticket was. Honey and I usually do 200. If you were doing more than one, it would need to be unique numbers, and we did not want it sorted because you want your ticket randomized in the order it's drawn, not in numerical order. Otherwise, it's not random. And there's no need for place markers. Then we're going to randomize now. So in this set, theoretically, for item number 1, whatever item you're raffling off, your winner would be ticket number 185. You would just go back to the spreadsheet and figure out on that item who bought the 185th ticket. That'll be a different video. You will take a screenshot of this page because this will be your proof that that's who won that. That might need to be a different tutorial, but yeah.